Hello, good morning. This is another industrial cooking machine. Another industrial cooking machine called the boiling pot. Boiling pot is an electrical machine. Also, there are other type of machines that can that utilizes gas and steam, but this is mainly electrical. Look at the knob. This is one of the control knob. This is another control knob. This is the working indicator. This is the steam safety control. This is the filling indicator. This is we call this the kettle valve. This is where you discharge the water from. The operation, you just pull this arm, pull it and turn it. You can see this is how it operates. You have to pull before you turn. So look at the chamber. Cooking chamber is about 200 liters. This is the tap. This is the tap. It has both hot water and cold line, depending on which you want to use. This is a cooking machine. Let's see if we can dismantle it and see what is inside. I'm trying to remove the kettle head. You can see it has been removed. Let's see if we can remove this. You can see this is the internal component. And see, these are fiberglass. Fiberglass. This is the contactor. This is a timer. You can see that the elements are completely removed. This machine requires descaling, and it has to be descaled. That's why the element has been removed to descale the boiling chamber. This is one of the elements. It's two phase. So one phase comes in here, another phase comes in here. So it's looped to this other element. This is the pilot element. The function of this pilot element is to enable it to continue to heat up whatever item that is inside the cooking chamber, so as it do not get cold. That is the function of this pilot element. It has an override thermostat. This thermostat controls the heat that this jacket produce to keep the item warm or hot. This is to discharge the water in case during the scaling, and if the system is not working properly, you can use it to discharge the water to light to cool down. This is the solenoid valve. This is the solenoid valve of the machine. The essence of this solenoid valve is to enable the jacket to fill up. When you power the machine from the control line, from the control switch, what happens is it gives supply to, look at, this is the timer, off delay timer. This timer gives supply to the solenoid valve, and this solenoid valve supplies water to the jacket. As soon as it's filled up, there is a device, a protective device that is here. You can't see it. It's somewhere inside here. That's the level, call it the level switch, level sensor. The sensor senses the level of the water and relay the information to send the signal to the timer, and the timer cut off the solenoid valve. And this also is a safety, PTC device that controls the temperature of the jacket. So when the steam is above the standard pressure, this gauge rises up to this point and cut off the supply to your contactor. So you have 3 protection. 1, 2, this is the override thermostat, and also the steam gauge protection. So with this protection, you don't have any issue with this machine. Your machine is safe. But in the course of working on this machine, always make sure that the machine is shut down and allow it to stay for about 1 hour before you start working on it. Before you start working on it, always make sure that you discharge the water from here and allow the steam to go out, or else you get yourself burnt. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like, as well as share to others, so we continue to keep you happy. Thank you, and God bless.